Welcome. If you're a returning viewer, thanks for coming back to Middle-Aged Dude Oz. If you're a new viewer, thank you so much for finding my channel, and I hope you enjoy the content I've got to provide. My name is Mark, and I'm currently in the Uralla Reserve, which is located about a 5-minute walk out of Trafalgar, my hometown, in Victoria, Australia. And as you'll see in this video, this is a beautiful little wilderness pocket of bushland, native flora and fauna, and there's heaps of these type of locations around Victoria. Personally, I love being out in nature. I think it's something that always gives me some kind of benefit health-wise. I've never once gone for a walk and not felt better for it upon my return. Obviously, there's a lot of scientific research that's been undertaken in terms of the benefit of being out in nature, and I'm fortunate where I live that I have access to a lot of nature reserves. In Gippsland, in this region of Victoria, there are heaps of rail trails which bikers use. There are heaps of hiking trails, heaps of natural reserve parklands, and so there's plenty, whether it be up in the mountain ranges or on the beachfront. There's heaps of options here in Gippsland. And my hope for today is that you'll take the time to make a quick video, send it in to me in the comment section, and I'll promote that via my YouTube channel as well. I would love to find out what nature has to offer in your part of the world. So I hope to see from you soon. Thanks for watching and enjoy.